After George Floyd was murdered, a lot of organizations wanted to deliver a response. We will not stand for racism. The impetus was worthwhile, but for some organizations, a hasty entry into DEI training occurred. Some didn't develop or vet their training carefully. Training may not have been aligned with the workforce culture. It was either too remedial or too advanced, or not focused on the right concerns. Still others just spent their dollars inefficiently, trying to get something out quickly. But it's never too late to pivot and change the game with your DEI training. First, you want to start by acknowledging past mistakes. This can be really hard, but it's vital to earn back people's trust. The next thing to do is to take some time to understand what your training needs actually are. Every organization is in a different place. DEI training may include communication skills, building empathy, recognizing bias, respecting cultural differences, understanding microaggressions, bystander skills, etc. Training is more effective and you get a better ROI when it's suited to your people. Then think about your fielding plan. Short, bite-sized training is a big hit with time-pressed employees, and micro-learning tends to increase retention. Lastly, think about how you'll follow up. Discussion groups, surveys, anonymous feedback channels, distributing talking points to team leaders, they're all just some of the great ways to keep the learning going, so it's not just one and done.